Hi all, welcome to JJ Coders. In this video, we will develop a C program to print Fibonacci series. Fibonacci series is the series of number which is total of its preceding two numbers. Let me create a C program named Fibonacci.c in the VS Code. At the top of the program, I am including the header file stdio.h to use the printf statement. Next, I am creating the main function of the program. Within the main function, in the declaration part, I am declaring three integer variables n1, n2 and next. For n1, I am assigning 0 as the value. For n2, I am assigning 1 as the value. And then I am creating a while loop, and for the while loop, I am giving the condition n1 should be less than or equal to 100. Within the while body, I am adding a printf statement to print the value of n1. I am adding the escape sequence /t in the printf to give a tab space between every number. In the next line, I am adding a statement next equal to n1 plus n2. Following it, I am assigning n2 to n1 and then next to n2. After the loop, I am adding a printf statement to print /n. So the cursor will move to new line after printing the Fibonacci series. Finally, at the end of the main function, I am adding return 0 to close the program. Let's save the program, and to compile it, I am opening VS Code terminal by pressing Ctrl J and I am typing gcc space Fibonacci.c and then pressing enter. And to run the program in the same terminal window, I am typing ./a.exe and then pressing enter. From the output, we can see a Fibonacci series is printed below 100. Now let me explain how this output is generated. In our program, in the variable declaration, we have given n1 equal to 0 and n2 equal to 1 because 0 and 1 are the starting numbers of the Fibonacci series and the upcoming numbers must be sum of its previous two numbers. To calculate it, we have added a while loop with the condition n1 is less than or equal to 100. While on the program execution in the line number 6, the condition n1 less than or equal to 100 is true because n1 is 0 and the printf will print the value of n1. So 0 will be printed in the output. And in the line number 8, we are calculating the next number by adding n1 and n2, which is 0 and 1. So the next value will be 1. And in line number 9, I am assigning n2 to n1. So n1 will become 1. In the next line, I am assigning next to n2. So n2 will become 1. So at the end of the first iteration of this loop, we have printed 0 in the console and we have calculated the next Fibonacci number by adding n1 and n2 and moved the value of n2 to n1 and next to n2. And in the second iteration of this loop, the printf will print the value of n1, which is 1. And in line number 8, the next Fibonacci number is calculated by n1 plus n2, which is 1 plus 1 is 2. And then we are moving n2 to n1 and next to n2. And at the end of the second iteration, we have printed 1 in the console output and n1 will have the next number to print, which is again 1, and n2 will be having the value of upcoming number, which is 2. Similarly, this iteration will continue till the value of n1 stays below 100 and will print the remaining number of the Fibonacci series below 100. Thanks for watching. Please like this video. Also please subscribe if you are new to this channel.